Hey guys, welcome to Rocky's 3 Variety Show. Now, on Mobile Food Pantry, I'm taking these potatoes here. Well, I took one, and then I cut the ends off both sides, and then sliced down the middle. Made like a T cross. I'll show you an example here. So what I did with the potatoes fresh is I cut this end off, and then I cut that end off, and then I went straight down the middle, and then I went this way. So first I went crossways, and then I turned around and went this way. And then start cutting them up a little bit more and turn them into kind of sort of like potato wedges. And then I had them on this plate. And then what I did is take some of this lemon pepper seasoning and just kind of sprinkled on there as much. And then what I did after that was go up here and try and get them all coated. And they went in the air fryer for at temperature of 285 for 19 minutes. Now they say on potatoes, avoid direct sunlight on potatoes. So that kind of sort of means keep them out of direct sunlight and green mode or whatever. It could be toxic. You want to keep them somewhere in a room temperature somewhere around 45 to 55 degrees, and keep them out of direct sunlight. Oh, I got my thing right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put these out of direct sunlight. Alright, so those are out of sunlight, covered up with 2 garbage bags. You know. So, here is the lemon pepper seasoned potato fries I made. You can see how I cut that all up. Making sort of like potato wedges out of them. And you have to excuse on my air fryer because my handle on the air fryer broke because the basket hit the floor. Broke my handle clear off. So I have to grab, let me show you guys. So my handle right here would have been right here, as you guys can see. But because this basket fell on the floor and broke the handle clean off. So in order to get this open and close, I have to grab right here and pull. I know. I could just go buy a whole brand new air fryer. But I had this air fryer for about 3.5 years. I think it would be almost time to go ahead and get the air fryer replaced. Maybe. I think it would be probably wise if I just went on ahead and maybe in a couple of days, maybe get this thrown out and buy a new air fryer. Oh, and as far as goes a plate, I've went to these hard plastic plates and no longer breakable plates, and never have anything sitting on top, because right on this edge here, that's the air intake, and back here in the back where air flows out is the heat that goes out on the back of the air fryer. Everybody knows that. So I'm excited to see how these made up potato wedge lemon pepper seasoned potato wedges that I made, how well they're going to turn out. Now, I only cut up one potato, so that's only one potato cut up into wedges, and then I just left them on the plate, and I took my lemon pepper seasoning and just kind of went like this around. And then I just took my hand, and then just kind of went like this and just kind of get them all coated with that lemon pepper seasoning. Straight into the air fryer, 285 degrees, and I went for 19 minutes. So, get that back down. And it's very interesting. And I'll be right back with you when these are ready to come out. Alright, so we're at the end of the cooking of the potato wedges. As you can see, it just shut off on me. So we're going to go ahead and place this plate on top now. I'm going to go ahead and unplug the air fryer. Oh yeah, these are looking real good. Now, like I said, I seasoned them with lemon pepper seasoning. Oh my God. Alright, so there's a look at my lemon pepper potato, my cut up potatoes in, what I did was lemon pepper seasoned potato wedge fries. And you can see the resemblance there. I mean, you guys can see the lemon pepper on there, I'm assuming. So that's lemon pepper seasoned potato wedges. That's the bag of potatoes from the food pantry I got. Cut up like that and air fried at 285 for 19 minutes. See, now, if I really wanted to, I can spruce it up and drizzle some of this ranch. Not just any ranch, but I'm using buttermilk ranch. And I know I'm probably making you guys hungry. See, now, I can just take this and just like that, there's potato wedges and a little bit of buttermilk ranch. I hope you guys go and enjoy this video of me making it from the beginning to the end. Hopefully you get to make this on your own. Until next time, hit that like and subscribe button down below. Share the video if you'd like to see more. Until then, thanks for visiting with Rocky's 3 Variety Show. 12, I think I put at the end. And we'll catch you guys on the next video.